Ready to soar through your FAA aviation maintenance exams? Today, we're exploring Prepware Aviation Maintenance, an app designed by aviation supplies and academics, ASA, to be your ultimate study companion for aspiring aircraft mechanics. Prepware Aviation Maintenance offers comprehensive preparation for the FAA airframe, general, and power plant exams. Users consistently praise its extensive library of study materials, interactive practice questions with instant feedback, and timed exam simulations that mirror the actual FAA tests. It includes detailed explanations for both correct and incorrect answers, FAA references for further study, and allows users to track their progress. The app is updated to reflect the most current FAA information, ensuring you're studying relevant material. However, some users have noted occasional desires for more specific section selection during practice tests, wishing to focus on individual chapters rather than broader categories. While highly effective for exam preparation, it's primarily a test prep tool and doesn't fully replace comprehensive textbooks for in-depth theoretical understanding. The app is a paid product, and some users have mentioned that while it's generally accurate, there can be very rare instances of questions on the actual test not being present in the app. What's your thought?